This is the loops from 1960, and I bought this one. Actually, you can see some interesting things in 1960. This is a classic case of a Miller B, dropping down here. At the start of the event, which is December 10th, there's our huge trough. I wish I could pause it, but unfortunately I can't pause it. This is you can see this the start of the event. Let me run it here. There's your trough coming in right this way, like this, and here's your southern system here. There's your split flow. So you see that ridge which is over here, and there's your 500 low. Let's look at it one more time. Right there, there's your split flow, very distinct. And here's your huge vortex. Now there's no 50-50 low there at all. It's just a gigantic vortex. You'll find when the load's up again, 1 second, you'll find that there's no 50-50 low over here at all. It's just a little short wave this way here. And then it comes in, and the two systems stays, boom, and then you get the huge snowstorm December 1960. So this was a big event also. It was a classic Miller B that amplified. And it's useful because, again, you can see your displaced vortex, a little 50-50 low here, and a nice split flow pattern. So that's an interesting one. And then if you can go back to the other one, see what the other one does. Yeah, see what that does. And then go to the last page. There you go, last page. And then left one. Let's do New England. This is a good one. New England here. New England blizzard. See if that works. Well, let's see if it works that way.
From current slide.
Okay, let's see if it does that.
New England.
Yeah. Ah.
Randy,
there you go. There you go. That worked. Good.
Randy,
All right, that'll work.
Wait, that.
maybe the link split. You might want to backspace Midwest and New England together. There it is. Actually, that's probably it.
All right, now you minimize it if you can.
I'm trying to.
I'm going to drop the debugger.
You know what?
Okay, so check the Explorer there. Okay. What? I didn't load that. That's not me. Those Canadians, what are you going to do? All right. Well. Really, all right. Really, he doesn't want that.
Hey.
That's the point.
Randy, don't sweat it.
All right, where's your favorites on this?
Favorite?
Oh, yeah.